Well, good morning. It's about 11 o'clock on the 7th of January, and this is the morning after the snowstorm, and as you can see, that's not snow falling. That's wind blowing. That's supposedly my mound out there. Doesn't look like a mound, but the winds are really fierce out here, and sometimes you can't hardly even see that maiden grass out there. It's really something out here, cold. You can see how it's blowing. Here we go. Here we got some more snow coming up. I just can't. You gotta know that it's cold. It's in the low teens, maybe single digits right now, with the wind chill for sure. And here we go. There's Kansas winds. This cold front coming through. Wow, here comes a huge blast. I can feel it to my bones, let me tell you. There's my tractor that's kind of semi in the snow stuck. There's my driveway and sidewalk that I shoveled, but as you can see, it's drifted over again. So, wow, you can see the whiteout and the wind. It's just blowing across, making us by storm for sure. It's blowing this right here just terribly. By the tractor, you can see the wind blowing. So trees. The lake's out there somewhere. I like to go down in those woods right there. They're fun. Oh, my little tractor again that I don't have the guts to get on. Okay, bye-bye. Here we go. One more.